Well, good morning, peeps, and welcome to another edition of Living with Idiots. And today we're doing another job on the VFR. I'm going to show you what just arrived. Well, just arrived today. Now, I hope you can see that there. It is a motorcycle waterproof phone or wireless phone charger. Don't worry, I know the purists among you don't want phones and stuff when you're riding your bike. It's for the pleasure of riding the bike and not talking to people on the phone and listening on the phone. But this is really just for whenever I go on long trips or motor camping, I can use Google Maps or whatever rather than having to buy a very expensive sat nav, and I can charge my phone as well on that. Came with this little thing which has to go into the fork, so we're going to install that and we'll install this. Right, let's get on with it. Alright peeps, first thing we have to do is remove this cap. Need to get this out first. So let me see what I've got. Nice big screwdriver. Usually does it. Yeah, this is going to be harder than I thought. I need a smaller screwdriver. The head is too big. So she said. Yeah, let's try this one. I don't know if this cap has ever been off. It looks like it hasn't. There we go. So can we at least get it off without breaking it? But, ooh, I don't think that's going to be possible. Jeez. We got it moving at least. We got it moving at least. There's that big screwdriver on the end. No, look at that. That has crumbled. Is this glue on or something? Wow. Wow. Oh. So, look at that. Wow, there's a lot of rust. Must have been water or something got in there. Anyway, we're not going to worry about that. My new screwdriver set, I'm going to put back on the wall because I keep losing screwdrivers. Wow, that's barely rusty in there. So I'm going to clean this up and I'll get back to these. Okay, so I kept this as best clean as I could, but there's not much we can do about that. We probably have to end up doing a job on the steering anyway. So that's going to go in there, and we need to tighten this in. Down. So, we don't want you moving. Oh, ooh. Get back in there. And I bought that screwdriver set the other day, and I'm already missing? Mr. Meeseeks. Missing. Oh, do I have the right side to top? I do. Use this to view. Now, that is well stuck down. And don't tell me I lost a part already. That was surprising. Okay, so this is the little pinch for the ball. You can see it goes on the back and puts it up there like that. Doesn't really matter. on. Not overly bothered. So let's lift the tank. Okay, so remember last time we had a look at the filter? Well, I ordered a new filter, but when it arrived, it's broken. So I got onto the ground and they're sending me out a replacement. Now, I intended on doing a whole video about it, but unfortunately the video is corrupt because I didn't video it on this. I videoed it on a new camera, which turns out to be crap. So I'm going to show you what we've done down here now. So when I was videoing it, I took off this, gave it a clean up, but also did a few mods while I was at it. Now, not major mods or anything like that. You can see here the snorkel. I'm going to show you the snorkel. This is the snorkel, and that fits inside that unit like that. So I took out the snorkel just to let the engine breathe a bit better. After I had cleaned it up, I found this. There's a little flapper in here, and it lets air, blocks air going into the engine, so they say, and keep it quieter or whatever. And I noticed when I was riding the bike, I could hear this flapper flapping up and down, so I just disabled it, and that was easy enough. There's a vacuum tube that goes from here down there, so all I did was just take off the vacuum tube. I put some tape there just to stop crap getting into it. The vacuum tube itself, I did the same thing. It's just down there. I didn't remove it, I just put some black tape across it. Also, while I was at it, I go around here. Yeah, that's the vacuum tube there, so just a bit of tape on it to stop crap getting into it, and I just tied it off down there just to keep it tidy and out of the way. While I was at it, in here you can see this is the wire for the pier system, and it's just a little clip in there. Now I know you can get kits and everything for removing the pier system completely, but I didn't want to do that because if at some point I move this bike on or sell it on, somebody might want to return it to normal or to its original state. So all I did was I unplugged it, and that's all you need to do. So it's got, there's a little stator in there, I don't know what to call it, little whatever, which is the pier system. I just unplugged it and then again just sealed them off with black tape, and I just taped them, both of them together. Now not connected but together there, so in the future somebody can fix that back to its normal position if they want. Right, let's get on with this installation. So we have to install the phone mount here. We'll have to run some wires. So sorry, you probably heard of whining. That's mozzarella cheese is out for his run. Might run some wires down along here somewhere down to the battery. Now this battery is fairly old, I think. Yeah, it looks to be. It's probably an original, I'd say. Anyway, and there's a lot of stuff connected off it. Well, not that much, obviously. There's the heat grips, the phone will be off it as well. So what I might do is replace this battery eventually with a newer, upgraded one. That's the dog whining. He's giving out because he has his collar on and he doesn't like it. So okay, let's get on with it. What's wrong with you? Huh? Good boy, mozzarella. He's a good boy. You're not able to help me here, dog, I'm afraid. Alright, come on. Move, let me in. I need to do some work for the peeps. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. Now look at this. Now, Johnny, come here. See, down here, this is mozzarella cheese. He's been a good boy. He's in here to help. What? What's wrong with you? Go get the cat. Go get the cat. He called you a bollocks. Go get him. What? Go get him. He did. He called you a bollocks. I heard him. Yeah, go boy. Down. Sit. You got dirt all over me shirt, you twit. Anyhow, right. Let's get this in place. Okay. Now, I want to be able to twist this as well to get out of the way of that tank. So, it isn't particularly long, is it? So, let's use this, make life easier for myself. Okay, so I can move it along. Let me see, where's the best place? I will stick it in underneath there. Okay, run that along there. Ah, no, it's long enough. It's long enough. I just put it underneath that little tanky bit there. Tanky bit. Tanky. Tanky. Hanky you. Now, getting this up. So, now we have to make sure we leave enough room to spin it that way. So we'll install it in that way. Actually, I could probably run, rather than run there, I could put over to here. Yeah, I don't know. No, I think it'd be nice and tidy there, wouldn't it? Enough room to be able to spin it whichever way I feel like. So that way will probably be the furthest. Right. Let's connect it up to the battery. Okay, so we've run the wire down along here, and on the inside of the, I might just clip it there as well. Oh, in along, underneath, down to the battery. As I said, there's a lot of load on this battery at the moment, so we might just change that. Now, that's something I didn't notice it did. I didn't even know it did it. As you can see. Now, that means this is permanently on. So, I think when I get my new battery, we might do a job by I think we might put a switch somewhere where we can switch this on and off. But we wait until we get a couple of more jobs done, especially changing that battery. Also, I don't know if you can see that here. It's got a little USB charger. That's handy. I was planning on putting on a USB charger, but I don't need to know that that's there. Okay, guys, let's drop this tank. Sorry, I was talking with that in my mouth. You can probably hear mozzarella cheese giving off like feck. He wants to go for a walk. I'll bring him for a walk later on. I have to bring my car in for another job. Nothing major, just the fuel sender needs an adjustment. Not an adjustment, replacement. Thank God for Kia, 7-year warranty, and that's all I can say. And then we move that around. You can stick our phone into it then. Oh, I didn't realise it was like that. So that's all there is to it. So I can stick on our phone either way we want. It helps if it's up straight, I suppose. And as you can see, with that little ball there, we can mount it to whatever position we want. Done and dusted. So let's that's done. And what we're going to do, I think it's a good idea to yeah, put in a switch somewhere. I think that's the best idea. Right peeps, thanks for watching. Keep an eye on the VFR because we'll be doing another few jobs. Oh, almost forgot to tell you. Okay, remember we had a problem here, so I've replaced these screws with ones I bought cheap off a Chinese website. I tried getting this out with one of those you know, those screw removal special tools, but it didn't work, so I ended up having to drill it out. I haven't replaced these ones because I actually got 4 of these screws originally and I instantly lost one. So I have another 2 on the way, and we have our new covers on the way as well. Hopefully that'll be with us in a week or 2. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Bye.